Today, I am deeply grateful to celebrate a very special milestone, 200,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. 3.5 years ago, I had no idea how to create videos, and English isn't my first language. I simply followed a calling to share healing practices that transformed my own life. The journey hasn't been easy. Within the first year, I was diagnosed with Sjogren's, an autoimmune condition which causes severe dry eyes and dry mouth, forcing me to stop filming for a while. It felt like a major setback, but it became a turning point. The pause showed me something I'm still learning. I have a tendency to overdo things. As I grow older, I realize that healing also means pacing myself, knowing when to rest, and embracing slower paths. This journey has taught me that growth isn't just about numbers. It is about resilience, presence, and the courage to keep going gently. To each one of you who has watched, shared, and practiced with me, thank you. You've helped turn a personal healing path into a global community of 200,000.